Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is a Nilfisk Adfinity 20D 20-inch auto scrubber. Now in this short video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your machine to keep it running at peak performance to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service technician. So we need to replace the vac motor, okay? So step one, you want to unplug your vac motor from the machine, just like that. Step two, we're going to remove these 3 bolts using a 10mm socket. Okay, at this point in time, we can remove the vac motor. Now with the vac motor out like this, next thing you want to do is take off the gasket and your sound dampening foam. And then you can remove the vac motor from its plate. Now to install your vac motor, you just set your vac motor back on the riser, get your new gasket or your other gasket that you had on there, put that back on the top just like that. Put your sound dampening foam back on. Wrap that guy around just like that. And then simply just take it and put it back into the top of the machine. Okay, once you get to this point, I do want to mention that your vac motor cord needs to go inside this notch right here. Just like that. And now you can put back on your 10mm bolts. All right, just like that. Now what you're going to do is take your 10mm socket and we're going to tighten them down. Okay. Now last step, just plug your vac motor back in and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. Now for all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now if you liked what you watched, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.